Thank you so much for staying with us here on Nation at 5. You're watching this broadcast with me, Poonam Burde. We have some news now coming in. This is to do with former Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Jagan Mohan Reddy. There are massive RTI revelations that have now blown the lid of a controversy that Jagan Mohan Reddy finds himself in, especially as far as his extravagant spending is concerned when he was in the Chief Minister's chair. Official documents from the Andhra Pradesh Aviation Corporation confirm that Jagan Mohan Reddy, when he was Chief Minister, spent 222 crore rupees of public money on helicopter and aircraft travel between 2019 and 2024. That's 87 crore rupees on helicopters and 112 crore rupees on aircraft. Over 23 crores was spent in those 5 years on crew handling, boarding and lodging. That is what has now been revealed by an RTI document. That has now given ammunition to the current government, the TDP-BJP government in Andhra Pradesh. We'll get you that reaction. But Aneri, my colleague, now joins us, getting us more details. Aneri, this kind of splurge that we saw during Jagan Mohan Reddy's CM-ship, that's something that is only going to now give more ammunition to his political rivals.
Well, that's right. What we are seeing is that major document that has been revealing big figures that show that Jagan Mohan Reddy, during his tenure as the Chief Minister, had used near about 222 crores for air travel in the 5 years of his tenure as the Chief Minister. And also remember, in these 5 years of his Chief Ministership, we had seen COVID times as well. So now the larger question is that Jagan Mohan Reddy used huge amount for his travel expenses. That is 222 crores. This is the data that has been revealed by the Andhra Pradesh Aviation Department. And also at the same time, we see that the RTI reply shows that one side Jagan Mohan Reddy used near about 222 crores, but then Andhra Pradesh IT Minister Nara Lokesh has not used a single rupee from the public funds, is what the RTI reply shows. And now we see that YSRCP has been hitting out at Jagan Mohan Reddy's but this document that shows that he had traveled for so many times and they spent near about 87 crores on helicopter. But YSRCP says that it is a vendetta politics which is being done to target Jagan Mohan Reddy, and also at the same time it is a complete lie, is what the YSRCP has been stating. But now the data very clearly shows that near about 222 crores of air travel bills under Jagan Mohan Reddy during his 5 years of tenure, in which 2 years comes as in COVID period as well. So very important point which we are seeing is that Nara Lokesh also hitting out. He has taken to social media where he says that on one side, when people were suffering, Jagan Mohan Reddy was using public money to travel, and which shows that 87 crores have been used only on helicopters by the former Chief Minister.
Do stay on with us, Aneri, because like